Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox stop playing. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox stop playing, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will go to this window of Roblox and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will go to click storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. You can uninstall your application. Then you can install application again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.